Hydrogen bond. So we have learnt about covalent bond as well as ionic bond and dative bond or coordinate bond. The next and most important variety of the bond is called as hydrogen bond. So when we observe the formation of hydrogen bond is always produced between the hydrogen as well as most electronegative atoms such as fluorine, chlorine as well as oxygen. So simply hydrogen bonding is always produced between the hydrogen and fluorine, chlorine as well as oxygen only. So when high electronegative atom is attached to the hydrogen, automatically hydrogen is converted into the electropositive atom and the most electronegative atoms are remains same. So due to the formation of high electropositive atom, that is nothing but hydrogen acquires positive charge as well as most electronegative atom acquires negative charge. So due to the formation of positive charges as well as negative charges, this kind of hydrogen bonding is very strong as compared to the van der Waals forces of attraction. So mainly depending upon the type of the bonding, depending upon the extent of the bonding, hydrogen bonding is generally classified into two types. One is intermolecular hydrogen bonding and next one is the intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular means outside, intramolecular means inside. So when we observe the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is always takes place by the addition of foreign atoms to the hydrogen. For example, when hydrogen is added to the fluorine, chlorine as well as oxygen, so this kind of the bonding is called as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now when we observe the intramolecular hydrogen bond cannot be produced by the addition of foreign atoms. So this kind of the bond is always produced inside the compound. For example, when we observe the orthonitrophenol as the compound, in the orthonitrophenol there is the presence of oxygen as well as hydrogen. So in between the oxygen as well as hydrogen there is the existence of the bond. So this kind of the bonding is called as hydrogen bonding. This is very strong as compared to the remaining bond, that is nothing but the van der Waals force of attraction. Thank you very much.